Halo Ciro, selamat siang. Good afternoon. Hello, how are you Ciro today?
Good.
Good. Is it raining in your place?
No,
Yes.
no,
Oh no, okay. But is it cloudy already?
no.
No, not yet. Oh, in my place it's already cloudy, but yeah, I mean I suppose it will be raining very soon. Anyway, how was your weekend? How was your a Good Friday going? Wait, do you celebrate it or not?
No,
Hmm? Do you
no,
celebrate the Good Friday?
no,
The Wait, I forgot, but we call it as Paskah in Indonesia. Do you celebrate Paskah?
no.
Oh no, okay then. So, how was your holiday going then? Last weekend, we don't have any class ya. Where did you go, or what did you do to spend your weekend?
I just stayed at home.
Stay at home ya and play game, or you have
Yes,
some company from your relatives? Ah, okay, okay. Still the same game or you already playing
the
different
same
game?
game.
Yeah?
It's the same game.
Ah, okay, same thing. Yeah, the same game ya. Okay then. Okay, Chiro, we'll start our lesson today then ya. Let me share my screen to you. So when we will continue our reviews. Yeah, we will continue our reviews. Do you still remember what materials that you learned on the previous week? What was it about? Do you know it?
Algorithms and data structure.
Yeah, we learn about reviews ya. Nah, today we'll continue our reviews as well. Yeah, it will be about the function and OP. Yeah. Mhm. Function and OP. What is a function and what is a OP? Ichiro.
Mm,
For the first question is what is a function? Just remember what was it? What is it?
uh, a block of code that performs a specific task.
And what are you What is the source? Where do you get that answers?
Mm,
Okay. And OOP? OOP stands for? What is an OOP? Ichiro? What is OOP mean? What does OOP mean? Eh, why did you turn off your camera? Okay. What is OOP? Ichiro?
I don't know.
Hmm?
Don't know what it stands for.
Okay, so when we are talking about OOP, it's object-oriented programming. Yeah, it tells you about how to think and the object. point of view. So, or when you will create some programs, you will create the template, and then the later on you can create an objects from the template. So you don't have to do uh, a long a very long steps to do that. Instead, you just use the templates, use the same templates to create the different objects. Okay, so that is what we call as an OP, yeah, or object-oriented programming. Nah, but when we are talking about function, yes, it's really what did you say? It's already correct. Yeah, it told you about the sequence. Okay, do you know how to create the functions? Did you
No,
know it? No. Okay,
no,
so yeah, so if you want to create a function, you just can use def and then the name of the functions and the body of the functions. Yeah. Now, so what will the program print, Ichiro? Now, from this, yeah, what will the program print? What do you think? What do you think? What will be the output from this one?
the X rating.
Yeah, can you louder to say that?
The rating,
I think nothing what.
the X rating.
For example, I will input in here like 3. What will be the output if I input 3 in there?
The startup launch was alright.
Yes, yeah. That's totally correct. Okay, it's apa? It's called the functions before that you already defined using def, and it will run the body of the functions. Okay, totally correct ya. Nah, and if we are talking about object-oriented programming, it's like this. Yeah, you can create a class and then the name of the class and define it to create a several properties. Yeah, after that you can create a new method. Yeah, and then just create a new objects. Okay. That's all. Do you have any questions, Ichiro?
No,
No questions, yeah? Please share your screen and we'll do the several exercise. Open from your browsers. Log into your account. Okay. Returns a value. Apa? There are 4 boxes for a returning value, and there are 2 boxes for returning none. Hmm, wait, world of code? No, world of code returning none ya. Hmm. And then yes, this is correct. Startup name. Product. Wait. No. INT and also list map is returning value ya. Nah, oke. Checklist. Instant method. Instant method berarti applying the method described ya. In here. Instance class. Instance class berarti instanting a class ya. Instanting a class. In here. Property. Yes, correct. Nope. It is comment creating the class. Click the right side. Yes. Okay. And then self. Yes, in it. Yeah, whatever. Which one do you want to choose? Class constructor name. Yes. Okay. Totally correct. Good. The number three. It starts for F. It starts from F. The name starting from F. FO. Yes, function. Yeah. No. Without S. We use singular. Okay, and then OP manage O O starting from ob objects. Yes, using S. Nah, this one the same, but without S because we are using singular in there. Nah, ini general description start from C, CL class. Okay. And this one start from apa O as well ya. Starting from O objects using S. And this one starting from A inside the functions. What do we call it? Arguments. No array. Arguments ya. Okay. No, no, without S. Okay, checklist. Continue number four. Okay, fixing the bug ya. Okay, please fixing this bug. The this one is already correct. Now this one, you need to fix this one. How do you fix that? The logic is already correct. It's only apa? It's only the syntax that you need to correct, that you need to fix. You see? Self. Don't forget to using self ya. If you are using the properties ya. If you're not using that, it will give you an error. Yeah. Do the same thing. Self and also self ya. Hmm. Wait. Object check success. It's already correct, but if you read the questions, yeah, if the rating is less than 3, praise displayed the project needs some work. Okay. And then if the rating is greater than or equal to 3 but less than 4, now we need to put some sign in here, yeah, because now equal to 4, greater than or equal to 4, yeah. Add some equal in here, equal sign. Greater and equal sign. Okay, and then ya udah, that's all. Hmm? Oh iya, don't forget to use arguments, which is self, ya. Type self in there as an argument. Ya, check. Hmm, checklist again. Okay. Okay, cool. Nah, read the questions and then try to answer it, ya. Okay. How to do it? First, create a converter class. How to do that? No, 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 no. Like this, yeah. The class is already correct, but yeah, class converter. Nah, after that, create this one, yeah. We just use input, yeah, and then use create an object. Now, like this. Input as the apa, the same as the questions. Remove the white space, yeah. Make the indentation is on the left side. Yes, left alignment. Okay. Yes, yes. Yes, that on the same line, yeah. Hmm, the argument, don't forget the argument. Ichiro. Okay, do you have any question, Ichiro?
No.
No questions, yeah. Yeah, I will share my screen to you then. Wait a minute. Nah, so the next part is, yeah, the next part is we'll learn about function with a variable number of arguments. Yeah. So sometimes, yeah, Ichiro, in our arguments, yeah, in the functions, the argument could, couldn't be defined by ourselves. I mean, we don't know how many argument that we needed in on the later on. Yeah. So some developers will use dictionary to tackle these issues. Yeah, for example, like this. Yeah, you can use a new functions like def at price and then for key in data and just print it, and it will give you a dictionary and put it as an input. Yeah. Now, the disadvantage of this approach is there are so many. The first one is the dictionary will take up extra memory. Yeah. So if you use the data structures when you're trying to create a new function, then it will take a lot of the storage of your applications. So we need to use the quarks. Yeah. Yes, you heard it correctly. You just use a double asterisk. Yeah, and then quarks keyword arguments. Yeah, stands for keyword arguments. Okay. So how can you do that? So you just apa? Just create an apa as usual functions. Yeah, create a usual function name, and then parameter one, and then just use double asterisk quarks. Yeah, and then later on just create the function body. Now on that functions, yeah, you just create the key and use a new value. Yeah. Nah, and after that you can create a new functions. For example, at price double asterisk quarks. You can loop the quarks. Yeah, and you just apa wants to use the double asterisk on the arguments, yeah, but later on if you want to use that arguments you don't have to use the double asterisk. Yeah, you just use as a variables as a useful variables. Yeah, and then you can loop it through the for loop. Yeah, and if you call the function name you can create as a stories equal 100, management equals 1000, etc. Okay, that's it. Yeah, so this is the example that you will create later. Okay, you can create a new function, a new method, double asterisk, and you don't have to apa set from the first step how many argument that you will use later on, but you just create apa when you call it later. Yeah, that's all, Ichiro. Have any questions before we do some exercise?
No,
No questions, yeah. Okay, open your algorithmics account again and share your screen, please. Yeah. Mhm. Buka nomor, open number, go back to the first modules. Yes, open number 5. Function with a variable number. Okay. There are two correct answers, yeah. Please choose the correct answers. Hi, Ichiro. What happened?
Lost battery.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Please choose the correct answers, yeah. Hmm, self-stock. No, no, no. The correct answer is this one and this one. Wait. This one is already correct, but this one is not, yeah. Will give an error? No. It will not give an error, yeah. Okay. Checklist. Okay. Oh no, it's still incorrect. Okay. No worries, yeah. You can go to this one. For number two, read the question first, yeah, Ichiro. Now this one is it's easy, yeah. We need to change the data as quartz, yes. And then data in here, quartz as well. And no, 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 we don't have to use a double asterisk. There's still data in here as well. So yes, quartz. Okay, and make print info look like this. Yeah, we don't have to use the dictionary anymore. just use it on the same line with the function name. Remove the line 4 ya. Remove the fourth line. Yes, okay. Number three. Nah, we need to create class price list ya. Hmm, yes, just remove the hashtag. And what else? The constructor ya. You know how to do that? Create a constructor like this ya. Create definite when when we are talking about the constructor, we can call it as a init ya. Definite and then the price and the order. White space Ichiro, the indentation ya. Add a new tab. Hmm. Okay. Nah, just save it, yeah, because there's so much still code. Yeah. Ichiro, do you have any questions?
No,
No question. So what is a quark, Ichiro? What do you have in mind when we are talking about quark? What is it? What is it?
um,
What is it? What is a quark, Ichiro?
keyword argument.
Yeah, keyword arguments, yeah. And what is used for? Don't afraid to be wrong. Really okay, really okay. In this Zoom, we only yeah, there's only two peoples. So what is used for? The quarks.
Yes. Uh, it's used for dictionary.
Yes, yeah. It is replacement for the dictionary for our arguments. Yeah. Okay, Ichiro, have any questions before we dismiss our class today?
Oh, I don't have any question.
Okay then. So yeah, we can finish our class and I'll see you on the next weekend. Bye bye, Ichiro. Good afternoon.
Bye, Mister.